The great things of having that kind of controller for your aircraft is that you don't need a phone. The cons, however, is that your phone gives you that beautiful map that you won't have because you are offline on that one. But still, you can download the map by going back on the Fly app, and you will then go in Profile and find offline maps. Of course, for this to work, you need to swipe down and make sure you are connected on your Wi-Fi. And yes, the name of my Wi-Fi is French fries. Then from here, you can zoom out, and everything that will be in the square, you will be able to download it. So you just press the download button. You give a name to the region if you would like. So this one, let's say, is Granby 1. Unfortunately, the square cannot be bigger than this, so you really have to plan where you want to fly. You cannot say, I'm going to Germany next week and I'm gonna download Germany. No, you can't. It's really everything that is inside that tiny square. But still, you can go here, for example, in Waterloo, and download that region. Just name it Waterloo. And you download it, and you're ready to go. You just need to be on the Wi-Fi when you do that. Then you can go out, and you're gonna have that region downloaded to your remote controller. So I hope this was helpful.